Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to install the read valve in RX 100. So this is the new read valve. I bought this read valve for 350 rupees and you could see the read valve number HTA5003. So this one should be used for RX 100. If the number is different, we should not use that read valve in RX 100. Then we will face some problems, some performance issues. So let's see how to install it. So whenever we open the read valve, we have to use a cloth or paper to cover this inlet port. Otherwise, if any small particles get into it, then we have to face major problems. So before removing the cloth, we have to take out the nuts. So now the bolts were removed and the cloth taken off. I'm going to remove this gasket also because I bought a new gasket along with the read valve assembly. So after removing this, we can install the new one. While removing this gasket, don't use very sharp material and scrap the engine cylinder casing. Don't make it very scratchy, just take out gently. So you could see the gasket come off very easily. If you have any deposits or sticking onto the surface, take out using a small blade. Don't make any scratches on this surface. If scratches are made, then it will leak the air fuel mixer. Clean the surface thoroughly with a dry cloth. Then install the gasket and read valve. So this is the new read valve. This is the new read valve. You see HTA5003. So while checking the read valve, we have to place it like this and see through this hole. We should not see any light while seeing through this hole. If we see any light source on the other side, then these petals went bad and we have to change the read valve. See, now we could not see any light because this one is new. If the read valve is very old, if we see through this hole, we can see light on the other side. So while installing this, we are going to use the gasket here. For this area, we don't need any gasket because we are going to use this manifold in that side, and in this manifold we have a rubber ring around the opening. So while we install this on the read valve, this rubber ring will fix firmly with the read valve body and there will be no leak. And one more thing, while installing this manifold, we have to thoroughly check these rubber surfaces and inside the manifold and on the outside also, because if there is any crack, means the air fuel mixer will leak through that crack and the ratio will get affected, which tends to performance issue. So while installing this, we have to check all the rubber places. So now we can install the read valve. So after cleaning everything, in the cylinder block, this is the magnet side. So here is the gear pedal. You could see in the cylinder block there is a projection, a small projection. in the reed valve also we have this small projection. See, this is the projection. This projection should be matched with this projection in the cylinder block. So this one is very important. Don't flip the reed valve and fix like this. We have to make sure to match this projection with the projection in the cylinder block. So the gasket is placed on the reed valve and I am going to install the reed valve in this way, and projection matches with the cylinder block. After that we have to place the manifold and fix the bolts. So after finger tight the bolts, use 10 mm spanner to tighten the bolts in a crisscross pattern. First one, second one, third one and the fourth one, like that. Don't over tight it gently. That's all.